Merry Christmas. It's Christmas morning. For those of you who watched the last video. Wow. Okay, you remember this is chicken parkour. This we don't have a name for. Somebody in the comments, we need a name for this somewhat vanilla specimen right here. We're about ready to cook them. I don't have beer, I have Budweiser. Yuck. I'm going to put some tin foil. It's not made from tin. It's not made from aluminum either. It's made from aluminium. I know. I have elderflower wine made with real. The flowers not acknowledging. Ignore them when they go away. So, yes, chicken parkour, chicken vanilla, bit of beer in there, bit of elderflower wine in there. Tastes like this because it's made with piss. Into the oven at like 180 degrees. Hang on. We got a problem. I need to take a shelf out of my oven. Okay, this. Karate men cry on the inside. Okay, we're going to put that in the oven at like 180 degrees for a bit. And then, when I feel it's time, or after I've forgotten for a sufficient period of time and then remember, I'm going to come out, take the tin foil off, aluminium foil off, leave it in some more gravy. We got bits and remember the last video? We got bits and stuff. Start the gravy, just whatever, and the resting juices from there. Now spoiled with Budweiser, but enhanced with pissy elderflower wine. Alright, we'll see you in like 45 minutes.